Hey guys, it's Laura and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just ignore this clip, but I realized I forgot to film an intro for this video. I'm really sick. I must state, just ignore me. Today's video is a thrift flip slash like me altering thrifted clothes, but they're all kind of Y2K inspired, and I tried to make it things that could be applicable to your own clothes and things you'd find. So there will be voiceovers explaining and everything, don't worry. But I'm not going to pop in so much as I usually do because I'm sick and I didn't want to. Let me know if you're going to try any of these because some of them are really easy. Enjoy the Y2K DIYs. So for this DIY, basically I've seen these t-shirts all over Pinterest and TikTok, and I do want to try it on a baggier t-shirt than this, but the one I was going to do it on is in the wash. So I'm just going to do it on both, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to do it on this t-shirt that was in my last Vinted haul. I'm going to use an X-Acto knife and some scissors, and then put some cardboard in between, and I'm just gonna cut across, I think, in like a ribcage kind of pattern. You'll see what I'm doing, but it's just basically to give it like an open back. Okay, I finished it all off. I stretched out the fabric, and basically what I'm realizing is I kind of want to cut up all the way to the top. So I'll probably do that, but I don't need to show that. You guys know what it would look like, I guess. So yeah, this is definitely one I'm glad I tried off of Pinterest. I do have a lot of thrift flips too, and I still don't know if this is going to be a video of just like me altering my clothes and then I'm giving you a few DIYs or what. But essentially I have this old Abercrombie hoodie that I still do wear a lot, and I have this fur trim off of the hood of a coat that no one in my house wears. And then I'm not going to make it permanent because in case like anyone in my family wants the coat, I can just take it off. It has these like buttonholes and then snaps. I don't know how to put snaps on, so I'm not going to use that bit. What I'm going to do is I could sew buttons on so I could unbutton and everything, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to make it even more temporary. So I'm just going to do little stitches, and basically where like the hoops are, I'll stitch them to the underside of this, and then the fur will kind of wrap around in that way, and then I'll do a couple stitches on the back end over here to make sure it's all stuck down. So all I really have to do is make sure this is centered and then sew bits around, and it should be fairly secure. I did also want to say for the fur trim, you could do this in a mini skirt as well, and I definitely will at some point, and I'll film it for you guys. Okay, and the final DIY, please don't think I'm a cop-out because I know I've done this before. I'm doing it slightly differently. Basically, we all know I like to cut my t-shirts so that the neck is off the shoulder, but this time instead what I'm going to do is just cut it like less than that because it's the baby tee, so I'm not even going to cut it so it's off the shoulder. I want it to look like a boat neck top. I just saw it on Pinterest somewhere, or on TikTok I think, and it looked really cool and just kind of delicate, you know, showed off the collarbone but then didn't go completely off the shoulder. So gonna try it, gonna see what it looks like. So it is slightly different to what I did before, but sorry that it's repetitive. I'm just trying to do simple DIYs that you guys could all try. I'm still going with like altering my thrift finds. I'm sitting here listening to just Trish, but I thought I'd just show you basically like, because I thought this was kind of a good hack to include. I have this tube top and it's too big around the back. Usually I just do this with my sewing machine, but I'm honestly so not bothered. Like maybe I'll redo it properly at some point, but for now I'm gonna kind of do a bit of a hack job. Just need like a little bit of elastic. I'm gonna take 2 inches. Make it so that the elastic is tighter than this, if you get me. So if there's like a gap there, and then I'll stretch the elastic and sew it so that that's all flat, and then it'll all like tighten it together. I don't know if that makes any sense, but if you ever have a tube top that's too big for you, that's a pretty good way to fix it without having to like undo the tubing and then re-string it with elastic. I feel like all my other thrift flips I have to do honestly are like mending holes and fixing bows that have fallen apart and things like that. Probably a little bit boring to show. So I might just wrap up the video here. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful. I think my favorite thing was probably the fur trim on the hoodie. Like I really love that, but I think if I do that same cutting technique on the back of like a big baggy t-shirt, I'd say that will be my favorite. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!